What is up there, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. You guys already know today is another RSX Type S Cruise. Me and Cruise. I hope we are doing Cruise for sure, because last time we couldn't do Cruise. I'm actually running a little bit late because this morning got into a little incident with the raccoon. And well, that's a long story for another time. So other than that, let's have a lunch at Red Robin down in Federal Way. What's up?
We might move.
What?
We might move the cars.
Cars? Alright.
To over here.
Over there? Alright, sounds good, man.
It's like 16 spots.
Got it. All the RSXs are parked here except me. I'm parked right over there. But it sounds like we're gonna move all of our cars back there, so let's do the hi Chin. I'm late, I'm sorry.
No.
Finally made it out here to the RSX Type S meet. Look at these lineup. We have moved all of our cars back here. So we got two people from Oregon this time. One is the 02204 RSX Type S. The blue one. Ooh, I like that. And also this white one with the BBS wheels on is from Oregon as well. Booty shot, booty shot, booty shot. Dang. Blaze orange. Ooh, yes. So if I didn't got my J, then I will actually got Blaze orange RSX Type S. So that was my plan, but I got the jade green, so yeah. That's Dino's RSX from Oregon. Mr. Jasper's car. I don't know if you guys remember this car from the Week Fest. Also, Tony's black RSX. Oregon, that's mine, and that's Chin over there with the Type R wheel on it. Ooh. You know, Chin, I'll take the L again. I'm late again.
You're late again?
Yep.
You drove the farthest though, it's all good.
That's true, but I'll still take the L.
It's an exception, bro.
Who's this? Who's this? Someone new? We haven't seen this car before. This is someone new. This is cool. Nice. Oh, we all know whose car this is. Look at this guy. Eddie. Oh, flapping. You gonna do fist test? Look at Eddie. He's the last one here. Ha! Oh, look who it is. Look what it is. GoPro?
Testing this out, make sure it wouldn't fall off.
Oh, okay. I see it. Hey, I got your face, by the way.
Stop.
Bring it in tough. Bring it in tough. Bring it in tough. Strong inside. Come on. Bring it in tough inside. What's up, man? Good morning. Good morning. Your face is. After I get my front a-spec, I'm thinking doing the same thing like Eddie did. The diff sport lip. I should do that. That looks really so nice. Put your windows up. There you go.
I wish the RSX had that feature where you can hold up on the
Alright, like the G35 does.
Oh yeah. So we're out here at the Red Robin. Got the fries and also the campfire sauce. For sure. Campfire sauce is the best sauce.
The fire.
The fire, baby. Everyone got our food. I got the bonsai burger because I'm Asian. So nice. Got the beer over there, Tony. Oh. So we had our lunch. We are ready for the cruise. Where's your girl? Where's your girl? I'm trying to get early. A little early, yeah, a little early. We had the lunch, but he's here. All right, that's new to our group. Soda nice. This car has over 200,000 miles, guys, and engine bay still looks hella clean. It's clean, dog. Look at that. Mugen. Pop the hood. Power. What do you guys think? TE37s. This is 17 by 9, 35, or 22 offset. So the 35 offset will sit more flush, and 22 will poke out a little bit. Kind of like that look, actually. If you guys didn't know, this RSX actually has 64,000 miles. Yeah, right. You wish.
I'm the first owner.
You wish. That's actually his. Just ignore her. That's actually his over there. So this 64,000 miles, original miles, guys. That's crazy. All right. So common problem on the RSX. This part, legit. I'm telling you. Right, guys? Right? Same problem. all of us. Check this, right there, boom. And that muffler's thick. She is thick. Blue RSX from Oregon.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Got it
Oh,
interior. Still got the most bass. Ooh, race car.
That's why I got the.
All right, so we are cruising right now. We're cruising right now. All the crew. Let's get it. So everyone's caught up now back there. Yay, here you go. There you go. There you go. Here comes the new one. Hey! There you go. Last one, last one, last one. There you go. There you go. VTEC. Last one, last one, last one. There you go. How many VTEC flyby that was? Oh, that sounded great, man. How many RSXs we got, man, in front of me? Damn, baller. Dude, this is like Touge, right down this street. Oh boy, I love it. I need to upshift. Okay. There's one more one coming from behind. Just look at this beautiful view. We're out here. Oh my goodness, I love oceans. I got U-turn. That's funny. So we made it to the parking lot in front of the beautiful beach back there. Oh yes. This worked out better. The silver RSX right there, blue, blue, and blue. 3 blue RSXs. Boy. And 1 black one. Oh, actually 2. Chin's car and Tony's car over there. Blaze orange. White one from the Oregon. And that's mine. 2 from the Oregon still here. Hey Eddie, you know what you call a 3 blue RSX that's lined up?
3-some.
Thank you! There you go! The answer is correct! This orange really pops. I love it. What I really love is shift knob too. You know what? Black interior is much better. With quick release steering wheel, I need to get that a-spec for sure. So let's talk a little bit about my plans for my RSX. Of course, I'm gonna adjust my coilovers a little bit. It is sitting on the Buddy Club Racing coilover if you guys didn't know, so I'm gonna adjust it and go lower for sure. And for the exhaust wise, by the end of this year, I definitely want to get the B pipe that goes along here. You guys can probably see it, but yeah, I already got my spoon muffler, so that's all set. But this year, this end of the year for sure, I want to get the a-spec front and rear bumper. And of course I want to get the front bumper get repainted, because the previous person that painted this bumper, it doesn't match at all. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it does not match at all. So I'm gonna get that repainted, and also the rear bumper is getting faded, so as well at the same time I'm probably gonna get the rear bumper painted when I get the a-spec front and rear bumper, and probably a wing for sure. So that's coming soon, guys. So let's talk about the wheels a little bit here. I'm thinking getting either TE37 or the CE28 wheel, or the Advan RSD wheels. So I'm thinking going with 17x9 offset 22. Yeah, it's gonna probably poke out a little bit, but I'm okay with that. The reason why I'm going with the offset 22, so in the future if I get the spoon brake caliper, that can fit right in there, so they'll clear for sure. So probably after I get the wheel, I'm gonna adjust the coilovers, the ride height. So I'm gonna do that for sure.
Turbo is fun.
Yeah. Yeah. Bye. Drive safe. People from Oregon. Later, man. Later. One tire fire. Here goes Eddie. And that'll do for today's RSX Type S Cruise video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Next RSX Type S Cruise is gonna be our last RSX Type S Cruise for the year. End of the year RSX Type S Cruise, I should say. So if you guys want to come out, come out. It's gonna be a really long cruise this time, it sounds like. Apparently we're gonna go to Mount Rainier and cruise all the way down there. So hey, I'm pretty excited. Yeah, I'm really high.
We'll see you for the next meet.
Next meet, yeah, see? So there you go. Other than that, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you want to know more information about the RSX Type S Cruise, then make sure to go hit up PNW RSX Club. So follow them on Instagram and you'll know when is our next RSX meet and cruise. So other than that, peace out and stay thirsty, my friends.
These nuts.